Hey, welcome to my Anton Earn Money channel. Today we want to talk about the different ranges or types of associate or affiliate advertising. The advantages of affiliate advertising is extra obvious today than previously. This is among the primary factor for the enormous popularity of associate advertising and marketing programs among a lot of countless internet marketing professionals. Latest internet technology has actually made it possible for the associate marketing professionals to get their stats and income figures the minute they make an affiliate sale. It is currently possible to utilize business like PayPal for repayment and also receipt processing. This has extremely stopped the time that an associate marketing professional requires to await his payments to be gathered from the merchants. Both the affiliates and also the sellers have now understood that affiliate advertising works for both of them. The vendors view affiliate advertising and marketing as an opportunity to advertise their items at a much lesser cost. On the other hand, the associates see affiliate advertising as an uncomplicated method of gaining earnings online by doing something which they like most, which is web publishing. Just as the popularity of associate advertising and marketing has actually entered into overdrive, likewise, the overview of individuals has actually altered right about affiliate advertising. Affiliate marketing is no more taken into consideration as a secondary approach of advertising by the vendors or as an additional earnings resource by an affiliate online marketer. For merchants as well as associates alike, affiliate advertising and marketing is currently taken into consideration as a main resource of earnings as well as incomes. We currently need to analyze what sort of associate marketing will function best for any person. Exist any differences in affiliate advertising and marketing programs? Are the repayments from these programs the same? Which are those affiliate marketing programs that work much better than the others? There are really selections of affiliate advertising and the kinds will depend on how you are going to categorize them. The key classification of affiliate marketing programs drops under two classifications: pay-per-click PPC and pay-per-performance PPP. First, let's look at the PPC. PPC is one of the most preferred kind of associate marketing for associates with little internet sites and probably the simplest means for them